Okay, this is another Streamline how to do video, and in this video we'll be showing you how to remove the tubing from a pole and replace one of the pole sections if one gets damaged. So at the end of the tubing we've got a hose tail connection which goes into the jets, which has to be cut off for it to get the tubing out. So we cut the fitting off and then release the first clamp and pull the gooseneck out of the end, which then means you can pull the tubing out of the gooseneck. Then go to the other end of the pole, pull the tubing out the bottom of the pole until it comes right out of the end. Depending on which section you need to change, you need to release the clamp below the section that you're going to change, pull the section out and undo the thumb screw nut on the clamp you released. Not completely, just enough to release so that you can pull the section out of the clamp. Pull it right out of the pole, and then do the same with the section, the other side of the section you want to replace. Make sure you remember to undo this thumb screw, otherwise you won't get the section out. And then you get the new section, undo the clamp and undo the thumb screw. Push the other sections back inside. Tighten up the thumb screw nut so that you get a nice tight clamp when you clamp the lever. And then replace back into the other sections of the pole. Same again with them. Tighten up the thumb screw nut. Make sure you got a nice tight clamp when the lever's across. If you can still move it, it's not tight enough. So that's how you replace the section in the over 8 pole. Now we've replaced the section, we can put the tubing back up through the pole, feed it in from the bottom. It may get caught on some of the sections, but you just have to twist the tubing around, push it in and out a bit, and you'll find it will go through the middle, all the way up until it comes out at the end. Once we've got it coming out at the top, we then feed it back through the angle adapter. And then replace the angle adapter back in the top of the pole. Put the clamp across, and then we're ready to put the fitting back on the end for the jets. This is the glass fibre poles. One slight difference than the carbon fibre over 8 is how to remove the sections. The replacement of the tubing is much the same. It comes up through the pole, and then you have to bring it out through the side hole on this one, as opposed to going through the angle adapter. But when it comes to replacing the section, with these clamps, there's a nut and a bolt at the base of the lever, which you have to undo the bolt. The nut will come off one side, and you have to push the bolt out through and take it out completely out of the base of the lever. Pull the lever off the top of the band, and then open up the band and remove it out of the way. By removing the band from the top of the clamp, it releases it so that you're able then to pull the section right out of the previous section. Hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.